Habitat Studio architects have unveiled their latest project, a stunning contemporary home that prioritizes both style and sustainability. This haven of light and comfort seamlessly integrates the beauty of the surrounding landscape into the living space, creating a truly unique and inviting environment. The design philosophy revolves around three core principles: texture, landscape, and materiality. The architects have meticulously chosen elements that engage multiple senses, creating a home that feels not just aesthetically pleasing, but also deeply connected with its natural surroundings. One of the most striking features is the home's emphasis on natural light and indoor-outdoor flow. Large glass doors and strategically placed louvers bathe the interior in sunlight throughout the day, blurring the lines between the living space and the surrounding landscape. This creates a sense of openness and allows residents to feel constantly connected with the outdoors, regardless of where they are in the house. The layout of the home caters to both social gatherings and moments of peaceful solitude. The architects have cleverly designed the space to offer versatility, allowing residents to create the perfect ambience depending on their needs. Whether it's hosting a lively dinner party or curling up with a good book in a quiet corner, the home offers a variety of spaces that cater to different moods and activities. The architects haven't neglected functionality. The design incorporates multiple spaces that can be enjoyed year-round, regardless of the weather. Landscape veins run through recesses in the built form, ensuring that a connection to nature is maintained even from inside the home during harsher weather conditions. The lower level of the house is designed in a U-shape around a landscaped pool courtyard on the north side. This configuration allows for large glass doors and louvers to bring natural light to all areas of the lower level at all times of the day. A striking element is the large void space over the stair and hallway area, which visually connects the spaces and allows natural light to cascade down to the lower level. This double-height space adds a sense of grandeur to the home while also serving a practical purpose. No detail has been overlooked in this stunning home. The architects have incorporated beautiful oak timber flooring throughout, while the detailing of the stairs, timber joinery, and custom walk-in robe add depth and a touch of luxury to the space. These elements elevate the design from merely functional to a truly luxurious experience. Sustainability is not an afterthought in this contemporary home. The architects have implemented a range of passive design principles to minimize reliance on artificial systems. Elements like west-facing batten screens and reverse brick veneer ensure the home stays cool during the hot summer months, reflecting the subtropical climate in which the house is situated. Additionally, a narrow building footprint assists in passive ventilation, while recessed building forms to the north and mid-courtyard allow for natural lighting throughout the day. Large roof overhangs provide shade and further regulate the internal temperature, and the incorporation of native vegetation for local wildlife demonstrates the architect's commitment to creating an environmentally friendly home that fosters a harmonious relationship with nature. Habitat Studio architects have created a truly remarkable home that seamlessly blends luxury with sustainability. This contemporary haven offers its residents a sanctuary where they can connect with nature, relax in style, and entertain in comfort. The home's emphasis on natural light, versatility, and passive design principles makes it a perfect example of modern living that prioritizes both aesthetics and environmental responsibility. This latest project further cements Habitat Studio Architects' reputation as a leader in sustainable design. Their commitment to creating beautiful and functional homes that minimize their environmental impact is an inspiration to homeowners and architects alike. With their innovative approach and dedication to detail, Habitat Studio Architects are sure to continue to create stunning and sustainable homes that will stand the test of time.